If you ever think that your salary is very low and you can't fulfill your wishes, then think about this girl. The poor girl needs to beg every day for a single penny to feed her empty stomach. If you think you don't have any friends, then how about this soldier who stay away from his family and friends to protect us till his last breath? When you feel like giving up in your life, then what about this man who has more problems than you and still not giving up? If you think that you suffer the most in life, then think about this man who suffers every day just to survive. If you're complaining about your transport system, then what about these people who needs to travel every day risking their lives? If you think your society is unfair to you, then think about this poor old lady that needs to work every day to feed herself. Society is unfair with old people also. If you are complaining about your food, then how about this man who is eating old roti with water? Are you still complaining? Enjoy life how it is and as it comes. Things are worst for others and are a lot better for us. Did someone get you a Nike instead of an Adidas? They only have a one brand. Does studying annoy you? Not them. Do you hate wages? They starve from hunger. Aren't you thankful for a bed to sleep in? They would wish not to wake up. Observe around you and be thankful for all that you have in this life. Don't think how many moments are there in your life. Just think how much life is there in a moment. Many things in your life will catch your eye, but only a few will catch your heart. Pursue those. As you waste your breath complaining about your life, someone out there is breathing their last. Appreciate what you have. Go 24 hours without complaining. Then watch how your life starts changing. Always help those people in need. Let us complain less and give more.